I love it. If I could, I'd live outside. I usually help run chainsaws, fill them up with gas and oil, run the tractor, four-wheeler, truck if it needs to be moved.
When we was like 13 or 14, during the summertime when we was out of school, we started going dragging cable, and he taught me a little bit on how to run a knuckle boom then.
I like it here. I love the views. You don't see it around anywhere else around here. It's probably the only place that's closed that you can still see full covered mountains and not have to see just a mountain without trees and any life to it. It's experience. I mean, you'll not find this out in the city.